If you nerd out on marketing statistics, you are going to love this update. Now we have attribution parameters on contact widgets. So let me explain what that is and why it benefits you. So, first, this feature is going to allow you to filter and analyze contacts based on UTM parameters and the attribution data directly within the CRM's contact widgets. So, if you're not familiar with what a UTM parameter is, I'll explain that quickly. It is basically a line of text that is after a URL, and you can set these up so that you can track exactly where your leads are coming from. You can track a whole bunch of stuff with them. You can see where the lead originated or what was the last attribution. But this is a great way to hone in on your marketing to understand everything that you're doing a little bit better. So, there are a ton of benefits to utilizing this. First, this is going to really enhance your lead tracking. It's also going to give you customizable insights, and it's going to improve your marketing decisions. As far as practical use goes, let's say you sell online courses. Well, now you can utilize this feature to visually track how many leads are coming in from a specific ad campaign on Facebook. So, by creating widgets that filter your contacts by their UTM source and the medium, you can see which campaigns are driving most of the traffic. And now you can actually adjust your marketing strategy accordingly. So let me show you exactly where this is located. First, this is going to be in the dashboard, and you're going to click the little pencil icon in the upper right corner of your screen, and that is going to allow you to edit the dashboard. Now you're going to go ahead and click on Add Widget. And then you can go ahead and choose your widget. So you can choose a contact widget first, and that's going to help us go into the attributions. Now from there, I want you to choose the condition of attribution. And then you're going to select the filter. So you're either going to select the first or the latest. So the first is where your tracking initially picked up this contact coming in to your marketing source. And then the latest is where they are most recently coming in or making that decision to come into your marketing source. Now we're going to go ahead and add the attribution fields. From there, you're going to choose the property. And so you can choose any of these. Let's go ahead and choose medium. Now let's choose the chart type. So you're going to go ahead and pick what type of chart you want to see. Maybe that's a graph or maybe that is the circle. And you'll go ahead and add that to the group. Now let's go ahead and choose your columns. Select the ones that you'd like to see within that chart. When you're done, you're going to see that attribution dashboard right within your widgets in your dashboard. So now you have that quick visual option to look and see where things are. This feature enhances your ability to analyze and optimize your marketing efforts by providing detailed insights into lead sources and your campaign performance. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.